Hello everybody, and today I am going to tell you another trick on algebra, and which is very important for competitive exams. Okay, already I have told you depending upon a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square, and today I am going to tell you depending upon a plus b whole cube and a minus b whole cube. Okay, see here, what is the formula for a plus b whole cube? It is a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. So this is your formula for a plus b whole cube. And if I take x plus 1 by x, then what will be the formula? X cube. That means in place of a I am writing x, and in place of b I am writing 1 by x. So 1 by x whole cube means 1 by x cube plus 3 into x into 1 by x whole into x plus 1 by x. So it implies x plus 1 by x whole cube is equal to x cube plus 1 by x cube plus x cancel out 3 into x plus 1 by x. Clear? And now what is the value of this one? X cube plus 1 by x cube is equal to, take this one to left hand side, because x plus 1 by x whole cube minus 3 into x plus 1 by x. Here, so if I take x plus 1 by x is equal to a, then x cube plus 1 by x cube, your formula becomes a cube minus 3a. This is your formula, this is your trick. X cube plus 1 by x cube is equal to a cube minus 3a. Where what is a? A here, x plus 1 by x. Here. So I am writing the formula here, then you will see its application. See here. If x plus 1 by x is equal to a, then x cube plus 1 by x cube is equal to a cube minus 3a. Clear? And then I am going to tell you the difference between first video and this video. In the first video, see here, you are converting x to the 1 to x to the 3. You are converting here, I am going to convert x to the 1 to x to the 3. That means you are taking whole cube of this one. And if x cube will be given, then you can find out whole cube of this one. That means x to the 9. And if x to the 9 is given, then you can find out the whole cube of this one. So 9 3 is 27. You can find out x to the 27. Clear? And so on. And now, if plus sign is there, x plus 1 by x, then what is your formula? A cube minus 3a. By applying this formula repeatedly, you can get x cube from x and x to the 9 from x cube, x to the 27 from x to the 9. And if you want to find out x to the 27 from x, then you have to take 3 steps. First of all, you want to find out this one, and then after getting x cube, you should proceed by applying this formula. Then again you want to apply. Clear? And in the first video I have told you how to convert the square of this one. If x will be given, so you want to convert x square. And if x square is given, then the whole square of this one, it will be x to the 4. And if x to the 4 is given, whole square of this one, it will be x to the 8. Like this. And today I am going to find out whole cube. Clear? And now see here. I am giving some examples, and very interesting thing I am going to tell you. If x plus 1 by x is equal to 2, then what is x cube plus 1 by x cube? What is your formula? I have told you a cube minus 3a, 2 cube minus 3 into 2. 2 cube 2 to the 3 is 8. And 8 minus 6 is equal to 2. See here, x plus 1 by x is equal to 2. Then find x to the 6 plus 1 by x to the power 6. X to the 9, sorry, x to the 9 plus x to the 9. So how to find out? First of all, you want to convert x to x to the power 3. Then from x to the 3, you want to find out x to the 9. So first step, 2 cube minus 2 into 3 is 6. 2 into 3 is equal to 6. It will be 2 to the 3 is 8. 8 minus 6 it is 2. Then again apply this formula. 2 cube minus 3 into 2 is 6. Again which is equal to 2. That means if this quantity is 2, then x cube plus 1 by x cube is 2, x to the 9 plus 1 by x to the 9 is 2, and x to the 27 plus 1 by x to the 27 is also equal to 2, and x to the 81 plus 1 by x to the 81 is also equal to 2. Power, it is 3 to the power of 1, 3 into 1. So this will, that means so whole power of 3 is this one, then whole power 3 to the power 3, it will be 9. That means 3 to the power 1, 3 to the power 2, 3 to the power 3, 3 to the power 4, 3 to the power 5 and so on. These values will be equal to 2. If this one is true, but if this one will have 3, 4, 5, 6, it will vary. So this is the trick. See here, another example. If x plus 1 by x is equal to 3, then how to find x cube plus 1 by x cube? So the formula is 3 cube minus 3 into 3, it is 9. So 3 cube is 27. 27 minus 9. So it will be 18. So 18 is the answer. Clear? So similarly, if we take x plus 1 by x is equal to 4, then x cube plus 1 by x cube will be equal to 4 cube minus 3 into 4, it is 12. So 4 to the power 3 is 64 minus 12, it will be 52. So this is the answer. Clear? Now let us see. I have taken the positive a plus b whole cube, and now I am going to tell you a minus b whole cube. What is a minus b whole cube? It is a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. So which I can write like this: a minus b whole cube is equal to a cube minus b cube minus, take 3ab common, will be a minus b. Clear? So now x minus 1 by x whole cube, it will be x cube minus 1 by x cube minus 3 into x into 1 by x into x minus 1 by x. Clear? So what is the value of this one? First of all, simplify. Let us simplify this one. Is equal to x cube minus 1 by x cube minus x cancel out, 3 into x minus 1 by x. So what is the value of this part? X cube minus 1 by x cube will be, take this one to left hand side, become x minus 1 by x whole cube plus 3 into x minus 1 by x. And very interesting, it is very easy to remember. If we take these two positive, so this will become positive. If we take these two negative, this will become negative. But the middle one, the sign is opposite. If we take minus, it will become positive. If we take it positive, this will become minus. That means if x minus 1 by x is equal to a, your formula for x cube minus 1 by x cube is a cube plus 3a. But in the previous case, I have written a cube minus 3a. If this is minus, this will become plus. If this is plus, this will become minus. Clear? So this is the formula. If x minus 1 by x is equal to a, then x cube minus 1 by x cube is equal to a cube plus 3a, which I have derived. I am giving some examples how to do these questions. If x minus 1 by x is equal to 2, then x cube minus 1 by x cube is equal to how much? What is your formula? A cube plus 3a. A cube plus 3a, that means 2 cube plus 3 into 2, it is 6. And 2 to the power 3 is 8. 8 plus 6, it is 14. Here, again, if x minus 1 by x is equal to 3, then x cube minus 1 by x cube, it will be 3 cube minus 3 into 3, it is 9. So 3 cube is 27. 27 minus 9, it is 18. Similarly equal to. Here, simply remember these two formulas and apply it. Okay. And now, I advise you, so please write the formulas in a single paper and remember it and do the problems directly. Okay. Thank you.